Hey Johnson, how are you? Oh, I'm doing good, and you? I'm afraid not so well.
Why? What seems to be the problem?
Well, now that you've asked, I have been doing push-ups for a while now, and I am still stuck at 8 reps. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. Is it my form? Is it my what? Everything. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Oh, okay. How long have you been struggling with your push-ups?
I know you're probably gonna laugh, but what the heck? I've been struggling with my push-ups for more than 3 months now. So, yeah.
What? 3 months? I mean, what? 3 months?
Man, I just don't know what I'm doing wrong, man. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. I tried my form. I tried correcting my form. I tried doing a lot of things, man. I even tried having sex, man. But it just doesn't work. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong.
Don't worry, bro. I got you. I'll make a video about this.
Thank you so much, man. This means a lot. This is gonna help me so much. Your YouTube channel is so underrated, man. So underrated.
I know! I've been telling people to subscribe and hit the notification bell to see all my new videos, but they just don't want to.
Don't worry, man. These people don't know what they are missing out on. If they don't watch your videos, then they are missing out on so much quality and good content.
You said it, not me.
Yo guys, what is up? It's your boy Johnson Kapofi back again with another video, and in today's video we are going to be talking about how we can increase reps. You don't want to be stuck at 8 reps for 3 months, guys. You want to learn how to increase reps. So if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you can see all my new videos. And yeah, let's get right into this video. Alright, so guys, before I share with you guys the 3 tips that you need for increasing reps, I want you guys to be clear on your goals. I want to help you out, man. I want to help you out. What is your aim? Is your aim to be able to do a lot of reps in that specific exercise, or is your aim to gain strength? Which one is your aim here? Let's say there's 2 types of training. There is strength training and then there is endurance training. Now, strength training is when you are training in a rep range of 5 to 8, which is going to allow you to gain strength and grow muscle. But endurance training is when you are training in a rep range of 15 and more. From 15, 30 there. That's when you are training for strength endurance, and that's when you are just checking how long you can do that specific exercise, how long you can last in that specific exercise. That's endurance training. Now, what are your goals? Is your goal strength? Is your goal endurance? That's the first thing I want to talk about. Alright, now that we got that out of the way, I chose these 3 tips because I don't want to confuse you people. But there is a lot of tips out there to increase reps, but these are the 3 best tips that I found useful, guys. That I found useful for a calisthenics athlete and for someone that does not go to a gym. Okay? Alright, so guys, tip 1, progressive overload. This is basically when you increase the demand over time. Let's say your maximum push-ups or maximum dips or whatever the exercise is 4. Okay? Now you want to do 5 sets, né? and you want to do 5 sets, and you want to be able to do 4 in all these sets. Okay? What you're gonna do is first you're going to start with your maximum push-ups 4. In the second set you will do 3, third set 3, 2, 2. That's how you're gonna go. And then maybe the next week you're gonna go 4, 4, 3, 3, 3, and then the next set 4, 4, 4, 3, 3, and then the next set 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. That's how you're gonna go. And then the next week you add another 1 now. Now it's gonna be 5, 4, 4, 3, 3, because probably you're gonna get tired. That's how you increase the demand over time, and that's the first progression you can use to, not progression, but the first advice I have for you to increase your reps. Alright, so guys, the second tip I have for you is working on your weaklings. Now, by working on your people name, you know, I find people doing push-ups, and then after they are done doing push-ups, they go straight ahead to pull-ups. Now, if you are struggling in that specific thing, don't go to pull-ups to help you. How do pull-ups help the push-up? How do pull-ups benefit the push-up? What you want to do is do an isolation exercise or something that's going to help the push-up. Okay, that's how you work on your weaklings. Let's look at the push-up. For example, you can do a dip, or this method can basically work with any type of exercise, but let's take the push-up for example. Okay, now the push-up is the main exercise that I'm mostly working here is your triceps, core, and lower chest. Okay, now what you're gonna do, maybe you want to isolate your triceps because maybe they are the parts which are not strong. You are gonna do bench dips, which are gonna focus more on the tricep, so that the next time when you do push-ups, it's gonna be much easier for you. It's gonna be much easier on the tricep. Okay, that's how you work on it. Another thing I can give to you is maybe doing negatives. When you do a negative push-ups, it hits all the muscles at the same time, guys. When you're doing that 8-second negative, it hits all the muscles at the same time. Later when you're gonna do the push-up itself, you're gonna feel lighter, and you're gonna feel like you can do more reps. And that's the second tip I can give to you guys. Alright, so guys, the last tip. Now this tip, it's one of my personal favorites because I use this one because, guys, I'm a guy that always trains at home, always outdoors, because I don't here to have money to pay for a gym. So yeah, so see. Anywho, grease in the groove. Now grease in the groove is basically when you do 50% of an exercise throughout the day. Okay, let's say for example you want to improve in your push-up. Okay, remember guys, this method can work in any type of exercise, even static exercises. It can work. Let's say you want to improve your push-up. Now my max push-ups are 50. That's my max push-ups. What I'm gonna do is do half of my push-ups in the morning. So 25 push-ups in the morning, 25 push-ups in the afternoon, and then 25 push-ups at night. Basically doing all my sets throughout the day with a lot of rest periods in between the day, just like that. That's how you increase strength and increase reps with grease in the groove. And it also works for static exercises. Let's say you're someone who's working on your planche, or you're working on your handstand. Okay, you can do 10 seconds of a handstand in the morning, 10 seconds of a handstand in the afternoon, and 10 seconds of a handstand before you go to bed. That's how you work on it. You later, when it comes time to test out your push-ups, you'll be able to do like 70, and you'll be like, whoa, grease in the groove. When it comes time to test out your handstand, you'll be able to do 1 minute. You'll be like, whoa, what the hell just happened? What the hell just happened? Just like that. And guys, we have come to the end of the video. Guys, if you do not follow me on my social medias, be sure to follow me on my social medias, because I post a lot of cool stuff, man. I post my workouts, I post what I'm doing my stories, and all that good stuff. And yeah, alright, so guys, if you're new to my channel, be sure to subscribe again, hit the notification bell for you to see all my new videos, guys. And remember, guys, the one thing that I always tell you: the people do not make you, you make who you are. Until next time.